So basically I can say that I'm a J lover. I'm also haunted by J's. I know quite a few J's. I'm haunted by J's in both my hops work and my personal life. But we will just right click this shape and subdivide. And when I refer to J, I'm talking about selecting one point and then selecting another point. And if you press J, it will just put a lightning bolt between them. So this is one of my favorite ways to work, and I do it a lot at a time when I just need to create a straight line between two areas on a mesh. I will just select 2 points and press J. And I've just been enamored with this ever since its inception. So if we go under the hops button and we click on the about button, you might notice that Machine is one of the people in the credits. And this is because Machine has been invaluable to our work with hops and supportive of us in all of our endeavors, as well as a very competent user who knows everything about how this tool works. He also provided a feature to us called Star Connect, which, as a fan of J and a person who wants to extend on its functionality, I found to be quite useful. So we will select multiple points, and then we will select another point. And if we press Q and we go under operations, we can activate Star Connect. And basically Star Connect will connect all the points to the first point. So we'll try it again. Actually, let's try it again. We select 1, 2, 3, and then we go in and we hit Star Connect. Does this thing throw an error? Does this thing not work anymore? Let's try it again. So we press Q, Star Connect. I am not sure what's going on. However, something happened there. So if we choose Star Connect now, between 2 or more points, so 1, 2, 3, Star Connect, 1, 2, 3, 4, Star Connect, nothing, wait, 1, 2, Star Connect, wait, 1, 2, Star Connect, 1, 2, 3, 4, Star Connect, just seeing what its functionality is, 1, 2, 3, and we Star Connect and we get nothing, 1, 2, 3, Star Connect, 1, 2, 3, 4, and Star Connect, and Star Connect is useless as shit. What the fuck? What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Let's put some holes in this mesh. Maybe it's just fallen into disrepair because it's not being used so much, but we'll just skip past that. So 1, 2, 3, Q, Star Connect, they all connect at this star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Star Connect, these two connect here. So let's dissolve these and then dissolve this edge. And let's actually select all of these and then this one. And if we choose Star Connect, they all connect at this point. So this basically is how the tool works. So basically if you have multiple selections inside of an Ngon, you can have them all converge onto a single point. So, normally I would actually remove a take like this from the video, but because I was able to get in and actually learn how it works very fast just over the course of trying it on multiple faces, it's probably worth actually just showing just so people can get an idea, because now I see that if nothing is on the surface, we can just select our apex point at the end and press Q, go to Star Connect, and everything will basically junction to that. But if we were to say have an edge between them, and then we selected all of these and attempted the same thing again, and we wanted it to jump the wall, right, it will not do that. And that's something that, now that I see it being a thing, is now expected and predictable behavior with this tool. So sometimes these older features that have been put away have been used so little over time that I have forgotten exactly what their purpose is. So you have to forgive me for that. But this is a tool that has been going on for like 5+ years. But Star Connect is still one of those tools that I consider a little bit of a star. I mean, it's one of the only color icons we have inside of hardops. But that actually covers basically the tools that exist in edit mode as far as operations go, minus clean mesh.